Hello, word enthusiasts, and welcome back to Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me for another linguistic adventure. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of words with a term that reflects the beautiful complexity of our language: blend. Our word today, blend, is a C1 level noun that signifies a mixture of different things. Think of it as a harmonious combination where individual elements come together to create something new and unified. In everyday language, blend describes things like coffee blend, a blend of spices, or even a blend of cultures. It suggests that things are mixed, often resulting in something better than the individual parts. To understand blend better, let's explore some synonyms. One excellent synonym is mixture. For instance, instead of saying this coffee is a delicious blend, we could say this coffee is a delicious mixture. Another fitting synonym is amalgamation. We could say, the company's success is an amalgamation of hard work and good fortune, instead of the company's success is a blend of hard work and good fortune. A third synonym that captures a similar essence is fusion. An example would be, the restaurant offers a unique fusion of Asian cuisines, which echoes the idea of a blend of different flavors. Consider combination. We could describe a smoothie as a combination of fruits and vegetables, illustrating how various components are put together, similarly to a blend. Another synonym is composite, indicating that the final product is made up of different elements like the artist uses a composite of materials in her sculptures. Now, let's explore the opposite side of the spectrum with antonyms. An antonym of blend is separation. Instead of a blend of oil and vinegar, we might have a separation of oil and vinegar, where the two remain distinct. Another antonym is segregation, implying a distinct division, quite the opposite of mixing. We could say that segregation of duties is important to prevent fraud, highlighting the opposite of coming together. The word division also works as an antonym. For example, instead of a blend of opinions, there might be a division of opinions, indicating a disagreement. Unmixed is another clear antonym. Saying something is unmixed means that the elements remain separate. For example, the paints were kept unmixed on the palette. The word pure can function as an antonym in certain contexts. Instead of a blend of metals, you might have pure gold, indicating that the substance is not mixed with anything else. Now, let's look at how blend is used in everyday life. Imagine you're at a coffee shop and the barista recommends their house blend. This means it's a specific mixture of coffee beans, designed to create a unique flavor profile. Or perhaps you're talking about your family's heritage and you describe it as a blend of cultures, reflecting the diverse backgrounds that make up your family. You might hear a musician describe their music as a blend of genres, like rock and roll with a blend of blues. Consider these sentences using blend. The artist created a stunning blend of colors in her painting. The chef carefully crafted a blend of spices for the curry. The company's culture is a unique blend of innovation and tradition. The smoothie was a delicious blend of fruits and vegetables. The garden featured a beautiful blend of flowers. Here are some more phrases. A perfect blend, meaning the elements are working together well. To blend in, meaning to assimilate or not stand out. A blend of fact and fiction, meaning a mixture of truth and imagination. Other example sentences include, her style is a blend of modern and classic elements. The success of the project was due to the team's ability to blend their skills. The new product is a blend of technology and design. The landscape is a blend of mountains and forests. The city is a blend of old and new architecture. So, to recap, blend is a C1 level noun that means a mixture of different things. We explored synonyms like mixture, amalgamation, fusion, combination, and composite. We contrasted it with antonyms like separation, segregation, division, unmixed, and pure. We looked at everyday examples and phrases to help you incorporate blend into your vocabulary. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word today. I hope you found this exploration of blend insightful. Before we sign off, I have a small request. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover Hello Word and join our community of language learners. We really appreciate it. And now, your challenge is to create your own sentence using the word blend and share it in the comments below. I'm excited to see what you come up with. Until next time, keep exploring the wonderful world of words.